Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Lot 9 of Clarendon Park in Clarendon, Jamaica. Here you will find a elegantly designed two-story spacious dwelling house for sale. The ground floor is over 6,000 square feet with a guest bedroom and bathroom, kitchen, formal living room, dining room, pantry, breakfast area, TV room, powder room, gym, washroom, back porch, double carport at rear of building, and three vehicle carport at front of building, utility room, two side porches and front entrance. The first floor is approximately 4,000 square feet and consists of a master bedroom with enclosed porch, walk-in closet, and ensuite bathroom, three other bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, two with walk-in closets, landing, and balcony. Home is well laid out on approximately 5 acres of fairly level fruited land, well manicured lawn and garden area at front, concrete paved deck at rear, and a separate farm area. The property is in excellent condition with electronic gates and security system. Additional features include jacuzzi tubs, custom-built enclosed steam shower, and kitchen boast corian countertops. This house was also reduced by a substantial amount, so please make use of this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.